Phaya Thai train station, metro station here in Bangkok. Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to Bangkok SUVARNABHUMI International Airport, and I'm going to show you how you can go from Bangkok city center to the international airport, which is SUVARNABHUMI. And today I'm taking the train, and we are waiting for the train. You can see a lot of people are here waiting for the train. So one-way ticket from Phaya Thai to SUVARNABHUMI International Airport is 45 baht, which is around $2. So here is the train. The train has just arrived and we are ready to board. Finally, I'm inside the train. Very well maintained and very clean train here. So finally the train departs. So there are total 7 stations from Phaya Thai to SUVARNABHUMI International Airport, and I think the distance will be covered in about 30 minutes. So finally we have arrived in SUVARNABHUMI International Airport station, and the train took exactly 30 minutes. I think this is the most convenient way of traveling from the city center to the airport, and the ticket price is 45 baht, which is approximately $2. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.